Do you struggle to find matching data in Excel? Today I'll show you how a single formula, that is VLOOKUP, can save hours of manual work. And trust me, once you learn this, Excel becomes 10 times easier. We'll understand how it works, common mistakes, and real life examples using a student database. So here I have two tables: student master list with student ID, name, department and email, and mark sheet with student ID, subject and marks. Our task is to pull student name and department into mark sheet using VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP has 4 parts: lookup value, table array, column index number, and range lookup. So first let's pull the student name. So I'll show you how to write the formula: equal to VLOOKUP, and as I have explained earlier, we have to select lookup value. So lookup value in this case is student ID, so A12, comma, then table array. We will select the entire table of student master. So this is the table array. We'll lock it. The next part is column index number. So in which index student name is there? So it is in the second index. So you have to write 2, and then we have to select the range lookup. So we have 2 range lookup. One is true or 1, false or 0. You can use either of true, false, or 1 or 0. True gives partial match and false gives exact match. And we want exact match, so we will use false. And if we press enter, so we got student name for the student ID. We'll just drag it down, and here we have looked up all the student name for the given student ID. And now let's pull the department value. So we'll use VLOOKUP again. So VLOOKUP, first we need lookup value, that is student ID, comma, then we need table array. So table array is the entire student master table, and then we need column index number. So department is in C column, that is third, so we'll put 3, and then we need exact match, so false. So if I just do this, so for student 003, the department is arts, and if we just drag it down, we got the department for all the students. Now we'll talk about a common mistake, that is value not found error or NA error, and that happens when the lookup value doesn't exist. So in this marks, I have introduced a new student ID, that is student 006, and this student is not present in the student master list. If you do the same VLOOKUP formula to fetch the department, you'll see what happens. So VLOOKUP, lookup value, comma, the entire table as table array, column index is 3 and false. And if I drag it down, we got NA for the student 006. So to avoid this error, we will use if error. So see how it looks like. So I'll introduce if error, and then we'll add comma, and then we'll add a value as not found. So if I just press enter and I'll drag the entire data, so now you see the NA is gone and we have the output as not found. And this is the way you can avoid the error. There is another more flexible formula known as XLOOKUP. If you want a complete XLOOKUP tutorial, please comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And for more Excel, Analytics, SQL and tech related tutorial, please keep watching. Thank you.